Chapter 4 Tutorial 1. Start a new file. Select the model template. Enter the name as c04tut1. Accept OK. Invoke the direct sketch group and select XZ plane. Now we are going to draw the outer profile. To draw the outer profile, I am selecting the rectangle tool and selecting from center. Starting from the origin, I want to create the width 100 mm and height 90 mm, angle 0. Decrease the size. The corner radius is 20 mm. Select the fillet tool. Enter the radius 20 mm. Now our outer profile we have drawn. Let us draw the inner profile. Select the circle tool. Snap the arc center and enter diameter 20. Similarly, create the other circle. Press escape twice. Now we are going to create the inner loop. In Let us select profile tool. Now start giving the dimension. Edit the dimension to 40. Similarly, edit the dimension to 30. Set the dimension to 20. Now we want to make this loop symmetric about the vertical axis. Select the symmetry, select the center of this arc and the next arc, and select the symmetry line as the vertical line. This completes our outer profile. Finish the sketch. Invoke the extrude tool. Now select the cross section. From the starts limits distance 0 and the end limit distance enter 45. Accept the default. We have created our model, but we are still able to see the sketch. Now select Ctrl B, select the sketch and say OK, so that we have hidden our sketch. From the view group, select this rotate tool. Use the left mouse button so that we can rotate and see our model. Now right click, from the orient view, select trimetry. Now save the model. File, close, selected part. This completes chapter 4, tutorial 1.